Right, period 5. Couldn't see it today, so here's a quick lesson on our introduction to Unit 7. Just take 5 minutes and complete those first 3 questions of the Do Now. We're going to prioritize questions 1, 2, and 3. So pause the video and take just 5 minutes to try those 3 questions. When you're done, I'll review those 3. Go ahead. All right, here's how you can do these first few questions. I see that I have an integral of sine of x with respect to x, so I'm going to take the antiderivative. When I take the antiderivative, I know that the derivative of sine would be cosine, but then I know that negative cosine has a derivative of sine. So my answer here would be negative cosine of x plus c. Make sure you have that on your paper. Same thinking for the next one. I know sine has a derivative of cosine, so the antiderivative of cosine must be sine. So this would be sine of x plus c. Box trench for this next one. Make sure you have those 2 down. Then we're going to go to number 3. Number 3 is a little bit tricky, so follow closely to check your work. I'm going to take the antiderivative of e to the x. That will be e to the x. Then I will take the antiderivative of 1 over x. That's a special one. The antiderivative is natural log of the absolute value of x. Make sure you're not using an anti-power rule there. That's a special one where we get natural log of x. Then minus x to the increase the power by 1/3 over 3. Finally, I get to the 1 plus x squared. Well, I want to think about this as positive x to the negative 2. And I want to take the antiderivative of that. That would be x to the negative 1 divided by negative 1. So over here I get minus 1 over x plus c. Please make sure you have those 3 answers down on your board. Negative cosine of x plus c, sine of x plus c, and then e to the x plus natural log of absolute value of x, minus x to the 3rd over 3, minus x plus c. Moving on to the next page. See me in the next video.